Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia here. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below. Be sure to like and comment this video. And yeah, I have bunches of video that I've made before. If you can spend your time, please do so. And yeah, just watch any videos that I've made before, and that's about it. So before we move further into the video, I would like to announce to everyone that I have reached to, drum rolls please, drum rolls. Yes, I have reached to this 200 subscribers. And yeah, I just got screenshot my subscribers right when it was like 222 subscribers. It's like my lucky number, you know, 222. As you guys know, whenever I have reached my like certain target for subscribers, I will do some giveaway. And this time around, I will announce the giveaway in the next video. I won't be typing it on the description. So if you want to know whether you win the giveaway or not, you need to stay and watch the video next week. And that's the first thing. The second thing, you need to wait until the last part of this video to know what giveaway that I will do, because it's gonna be very interesting. In today's video, as you guys see, I am in different setup area where I will not it's not a random vlog or an idea which came out of nowhere, but as you guys can see right behind, yep, we are going to do that. How? So about this video, I will continue the hobby series that you might want to see. Here I'll put the hobby series that I've done. I also made a playlist for it, so if you feel like you want to try any hobby that I already tried, you can just surf on the playlist. And yeah, about this hobby, I will make a flower arrangements. It's very simple. If you are a girl, no, it's not like sexist hobby. If you love flowers or you like to arrange flowers, who doesn't love flowers, right? Everyone loves flowers. So this hobby might be suitable for you. And yeah, before I start the video, I would just want to make a disclaimer and show you around like my living room, which full of flowers. Why? Because this hobby is inspired by my mom. My mom really loves arranging flower, but then our house is not really suitable for fresh flowers. But then my mom got into artificial flowers, even though it's artificial flowers, but yeah, it's her hobby. So inspired from her, I will going to make a flower arrangements today with you guys. And let me bring you around. So if you guys notice here, it's my first. And for your information, I help all the flower arrangements that my mom did. I help it. And yeah, this, I don't know if the name is orchid or not, but my mom told me it's an orchid. So wait, I'll show you guys. So if you guys come to this corner of my living room, you guys can see, like, I don't know what's that thing called, bamboo. No, it's like a stick. I don't know. So this is this side, and then we got couch here, and then when we go to this side, we're gonna see like this. It's pretty, right? Yeah, this is what my mom did. And then this one, and then there, that's another one. And then on top of the table, our coffee table, we have this like English inspired bouquet. And then it's my favorite part of the house actually, so I'll bring you guys. If you guys come here, yep, it's our console table. So there's our door, and then like from that door, you're gonna see this console table. So this is the flower that my mom did. It's like an English house inspired, you know, English bouquet. I'm not sure what it's called, but yeah, that's basically all my mom's collection of flower arrangements that she did. So what I will do today is that I'm gonna arrange the flower, and I will set up. I already have the setup here, so be right back after I already finished the setup. So I am done with my setup. So here's the flower that my mom made, and this is the flowers that, no, I didn't make it yet, but I like cabut-cabut dia daripada the bouquet. So this is all from Eco Shop. So don't worry, this is not a what it's called. It's not an expensive hobby. You can afford it. Don't lie to me, because like this bouquet, one bouquet from Eco Shop, it costs around 2 ringgit 10 cent, and then I bought 3 types. This type of flower, and then this one, and lastly I bought this one. It's like the bushes around it, leaves around the flowers. So here's the vase, and you need this sponge. Is it sponge? I'm not sure, please correct me if it's not sponge. So what you're gonna need is that you insert it. So I have done insert it inside. Oh no, ow. Okay, so I've inserted it, and then what we're gonna do is that just chucho. It's easy, right? But then I am not that creative to make it like pretty. I'll get back to you guys when I have done this one. Alright guys, I am back with the flowers that I already cut it off, and then this one I got the tallest one, so I guess it's gonna be on top of everything. Okay, I thought it's sufficient to make 2 bouquet out of these 2. I mean out of all of the flowers that I bought, but then I guess it's not. I'm not sure if I do it right. It doesn't look pretty at all. Ya Allah.
A few minutes later.
I don't know, what do you guys think? I think I need to like cut it into smaller part.
20 minutes later.
Wait, I rasa tak jadi though. Is it? Tak lawa pun. Tak macam mak I buat pun. I don't know what's wrong with my flower, but yeah, it's... This is the finishing. And it's not even like... Look at this. So yeah, I dah tekan. So yeah, this is the final touch. Please rate how much do you guys think I deserve out of 10. I would say it's... I only deserve not even a 5. I only deserve like 3. Can you imagine how different it is? Like this one, what I made. This one, what my mom's made. Like this is so pretty. And it matched, you know. I think the color that I choose is not... It's not complementing with each other. So that's why I feel. But yeah, anyways, I did it. Anyone wants this? I don't think I'm gonna use it in my room, but I should use it. Like, I did something today. Most probably I'll just use it anywhere that I think I should use it. So yeah, I think that's the end of our finding hobby for flower arrangements. I don't know how I arrange it, but I am totally not into flower arrangements after I did this, because what I portrayed in my mind was far better than this. And when I did the flower arrangement itself, like, it's totally out of what I portrayed myself to do. So yeah, with that, it's the end of this particular video for flower arrangements, and I think I'm gonna show you guys like cinematography if I can make it for you guys.
Treading on a thin line, hitting rock bottom.
So with that, the end for my flower arrangement video. Anyways, let's jump right into our giveaway for 200 subscribers, sempena 200 subscribers. Before that, I am really thankful and grateful for everyone who wishes good luck, and then everyone who congratulate me. Like, big thanks to everyone, because I couldn't be here if it's not for you guys. Like, those subscribers is not from me, it's from you guys. So the one who played the important role here is not me, but it's you, okay? So I love you guys. Okay, so for the giveaway, I'm gonna twist it a bit. I am a fan of Shopee, so what you guys need to do is that the terms and condition is you need to show me the screenshot of your, like when you watch my video, you need to screenshot it and then post it on your Instagram and tag me. That gonna be your participation confirmation, like that. And then that's the first condition. Second condition, you need to ask your 2 friends to subscribe my YouTube, because I'm in need for another subscribers. So yeah, that's the second condition. And the third condition is that you need to have a Shopee account. And if you don't have it already, what you're gonna need to do is that I'll put my referral link below. Please sign up using my referral link, okay? Because yeah, I gain profit from that affiliate links. It's just that I need someone to use the links, alright? So if you don't sign up yet, please use my referral links. That's the third condition. And then yeah, I guess that's all. Just comment on this video if you already done it, and I'll try to see. Maybe sometimes I didn't receive the notifications if you tag me on Instagram. So if you let me know on the comment, I'll go to your Instagram and check your participation, okay? So I guess that's about it. Oh, anyway, what's the giveaway, by the way? So the giveaway is I will sponsor you guys, like whatever is there in your add to cart, I'll check out for you guys, okay? So you just need to screenshot the amount. Oh, by the way, there is a terms and condition, which is it's capped to 20 ringgit. Like, I know it's not that much, but you can gain something from 20 ringgit, right? So 20 ringgit is that you need it's including the postage. You can just find if any, like that particular stuff is 19.99, and then you have free shipping. Maybe you can do that too. And what I will do, I would chip in the money to your bank account or maybe Shopee. No, I'll just send 20 ringgit in your bank account or Shopee account. So you need to check it out after you use my referral link. So yeah, that's the giveaway. I will check out your Shopee add to cart stuff. That sounds like a plan, right? So I guess that marks our end in this video. I hope you guys enjoy this flower arrangement video, because I didn't enjoy it as much, but I enjoyed that I can let you know. So if you are not a fan of flower arrangements, I suggest please stop from doing it. Please don't do that. But then it doesn't cost that much, so maybe if you want to give it a try, you should try it, because I already tried it for you, but then it doesn't suit me, okay? So yeah, for the last time in this video, thank you so much for supporting me since my day one, since my DIYs video. Like, I am just thankful for you guys. I really love everyone, and yeah. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys have any video requests for me. So yeah, bye. See you in the next video.